Welcome to our bedroom. So in today's vlog, we are cozying up our bedroom by adding a fireplace and seating area to our small little bedroom here. And it is something I want to share with you because I feel like this is something that is super easy to do and you can add it to any bedroom. Fireplaces don't need to take up a lot of room and it can really cozy up any bedroom. And we're kind of transforming our bedroom into like a Nordic feel aesthetic. Really loving those vibes. So having a fireplace definitely helps that. So let's get started. So here is our master bedroom and we just finished putting in all this brand new hickory flooring, which turned out so beautiful, and we're still working on it. We are working on getting our bedroom back in order, but because we are ripping out all our rooms upstairs, basically because they're all filled with carpet and we're replacing them with wood, this is the perfect opportunity to do any rearrangements or adjustments to the rooms since everything is like a fresh start. So as you can see on this wall here, there is no baseboard trim. So this is gonna be the area that I'm gonna put our fireplace and like a little seating area. As you can see from our bedroom here, it is pretty long this way. The depth is shallow. Now our bed used to sit directly in the middle of this room. And I mean, we had plenty of space on this side and this side of our bed. So basically we're gonna be moving our bed that was sitting in the middle of this room. We're gonna push it closer to the window. We'll have plenty of space. And then right here, we'll put our fireplace and seating area. So this is something you can consider in your own home because no matter if it's deep or wide, just moving your bed around slightly and you can make a whole nother little cute, comfy little area in a room. So I bought a brand new area rug for our bedroom, so I have to go get that. We're gonna put that in place. And then I have a new headboard coming. However, it's gonna be like a week until it gets here. So I'm gonna have to get our bed back together and then we'll just have to put our headboard in later. Now that we have the wood flooring, I wanted a fluffy rug. So I bought a new rug and I'm obsessed with this rug. I love the pattern and the design of it. This is an 8x10 rug and it is from Boutique Rugs is where I got this one, and it's beautiful. With our king size bed and our two nightstands on each side, this still is wider than all of it. I wanted this rug wider than everything, so it gives the bed a nice like framed outline with this rug. So when I got the rug, I could position where our bed and nightstands would be so I could see how much room we have over here. And so we have a huge, nice little spot still right here on this side of our bed. I decided to update some of the prints here in our bedroom. I had some like kind of boho style prints in here, but I found these really pretty mountain foresty photos with kind of like the autumn tones in it. I always get my prints from Etsy. That's where I get all my prints on the walls from. They have such a great selection, and you can find prints like this that come as a set of 3. You can find set of 2, 4, 5, like all different sets you can find on there, and then you just download them and then you can get them printed to whatever size as you want, and you can make as many copies as you want. So if you're looking for prints, I highly recommend Etsy. So we just got our fireplace in and it is so cute. This is a 36-inch electric fireplace. I got it on Amazon and we already have one of these that we put in our living room right there. So this is a 50-inch, and for our bedroom I obviously didn't want it that big, so this is the 36-inch. We just love these little electric fireplaces. They have a beautiful flame. They put out heat. You can have just the flame or you can have just the heat. Like there's all different settings. We have to build the surround, and we are legit doing the exact same DIY stucco surround as what we did here in our living room. We love the stucco-y look. Looks like that. And I actually did a complete DIY tutorial on this surround that fits this fireplace. However, we are going to change it up. So you see on this side where we have like this wood stacked. So I'm going to actually make an opening below the fireplace so we can stack wood on the inside of the fireplace. I saw a photo online and I loved it. So I'm like, for the bedroom, that would be perfect because we don't have like the built-ins on each side to do that. And I love the look of the stacked wood by the fireplace. So we're working on the frame right now. We're just getting like the 2x4s and everything put together. There it is. So that's the width, that's the height. So we got 56 inches wide 48 inches tall, and then for depth is 10 inches. So not super deep, but we don't need it deep. So it fits perfect. And there is our entire frame for our fireplace. So it's just made out of 2x4 and some MDF. And now I'm gonna start doing my faux stucco, which is just made out of regular joint compound. I'm gonna get that all smeared on here, and we can get this fireplace installed. So like I said, if you wanna learn more about building this, go check out my other vlog. I go into all the details on how we built this. I didn't wanna get too detailed in this vlog. And there you go, just like that, the fireplace is installed. So obviously we still have to do the mantle, and then I have to do my little logs down here. Our bedroom is complete, and it is so cozy, and I love turning on the fireplace in the evenings, laying in bed, just doing some reading. Having that glow just kind of light up the room at night is so cozy. From our bedroom, we have a view of the mountains, which I love looking at, and we get really good sunsets over the mountains from here, so it's perfect. Cozied up our bedroom with a simple little fireplace and a cute little seating area. So easy to change the vibe of rooms just by adding different textures and colors. So that's what I'm calling my bedroom, Nordic theme. I just finished my office remodel, and I feel like I kind of did the same vibes in there too. So if you're loving that vibe and you're looking to redo an office, go check out that vlog too, because that was another fun remodel. I'll be sure to link all the items down in the description below: the chair, the pillow, the sheepskin, the cute little sheepskin ottoman, the headboard, the fireplace, the prints. One thing I wanted to share is this little noise machine I bought on Amazon. So I love the sound of like a crackling fireplace, but of course with an electric fireplace you're not going to get that like cozy crackling fireplace sound. So I found this cute little noise machine on Amazon that has the crackling fireplace sound effect. So every night I turn the fireplace on, and just like that, I got myself a crackling fireplace. So definitely head to the description if you're looking for something specific. So thank you guys so much for watching this little room makeover with a brand new fireplace and cozy little seating area. So hope you found some inspiration, and if you have any questions, let me know down below, and we'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys.